All right, guys. I just put in a group my super funnel. It's all yours to use. Now, what this is a really awesome tool in order for you to use to start making commissions with ClickFunnels, especially for ClickFunnels. So this is one of the best tools for making commissions with, because all you need to do is share this funnel. Like, it takes literally, you can set it up in 15-20 minutes. Like, that's all it needs to do. And then you just share it. You don't have to worry about anything else. Now, if you want to get into list building, I can walk you through that. I've got the cheetah guide. It will help you. If you have the cheetah guide, you could actually just use the formula, the form in there, and put it at the front of your super funnel, and then you'd be collecting the emails. But you don't have to. You can just literally give away the super funnel, and then anybody that goes in will be using your ClickFunnels account, affiliate account, to get their ClickFunnels, and you can start making an awesome income this way with ClickFunnels. So let me just show you the steps. It's super easy, guys. Let me share my screen here. So you opt in, and you're going to get this page. Well, you get the opt-in page, the orange page, and then you're going to go to here, just showing you some proof. Like, guys, $500 a day is really easy when you use this method. This is me, and so yes, you go, yes, I want to meet me. You click through, and then you're going to get a video on exactly how you get your 14-day trial. So you get set up for free. And remember, guys, so this is really key. If you're not making money in at day 12 or 13, or if you haven't got someone to take some trials that are potentially going to pay commissions, then you can just quit your ClickFunnels account. You just don't have to take it. You can just quit it. If you got it in on the 297 one, you can downgrade it to just 97. All these kind of things. But just, you want to click this button, start your ClickFunnels account, and then you just go, after you've set up your account, go, yes, I finished this step. Now, the second part is directly import this whole funnel in. So all you need to do is come and click this button, and it's going to put this funnel right into your ClickFunnels account. And then all you're going to do is, yes, I finished this step. This talks about some traffic. If you want to send traffic at it, you don't have to, you could use social media traffic, whatever. But if you want to send some traffic at it, I got a discount code for you right here. So you get a huge discount on 500 clicks that you could send the super funnel front end to, and 1,000 for, and you just use those coupon codes, and it gives you close to 50% off. Once you finish that step, you're basically done. Your congratulations. And then you want to go to the course. Now, do I have the course? The whole course is going to join the Facebook group, of course, but the course is going to teach you exactly how to set this up. So you want to go through the course. It's going to give you free traffic on YouTube, free traffic on Twitter, free traffic on Facebook, all these different places where you're able to get free traffic. So it's got the paid traffic module in there. It shows you how to set up the funnel. It gives you all the, like I said, all the free traffic training. And then there's even more resources in there. I've put in some extra resources where trainings that I've taken that you now have access to, and you can go in and learn exactly all the secrets of being an affiliate. So hopefully, guys, if you have any questions, make sure you put a comment in the Facebook group. Apparently, I'm not seeing the comments in Ecamm, so let me just switch over to Facebook. If you're watching this live, then hit live. If not, hit replay. I know Facebook doesn't always show all the comments or the posts and stuff like that, because some people watch it through different media and through their phone and all this kind of stuff. So anyways, that's what I have for you. So the link for the super funnel is the post right below this one. You'll see it, my big mugshot on there. And I will also put it in, I will pin that, I'll pin both of these so that both these posts will be available for you at the top of the stuff. So hopefully, guys, get this going. This is really important. This is like the first step to becoming an affiliate. You want to get this set up, have something to share. I had one of these when I first started out. I had a share funnel from some mentors of mine, and I used that, and I built a massive list up to about 2,500 people, and it worked so well. But it was a little bit more complex because it was also building the list part. This, you don't even have to build a list, guys. Just point at it. They're going to join ClickFunnels with your affiliate link, and then that's when they decide to build the funnel as well. So they're going to build. You're giving them the share funnel. They're going to then they will it'll just compound. So that's what you want to be doing. So you want to be sharing it. I definitely recommend doing all the free traffic modes, but I also recommend doing the paid traffic, which is what I mainly generate. All right, guys. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Comment below if you have any questions, but please go through all the training, go through the funnel, go through all the training, so you've got yourself familiar with it. And then if you're still stuck and you need help and you can't figure it out, then message me and you can give me your login for your ClickFunnels. I'll go in there and I'll make sure it's all set up correctly. Make sure that you have your affiliate link and all that stuff. All right, I'll see you on the next one.